What is up, friends? It's been a little bit, but your boy's back. Just a little intermission, but you know what? These things happen. You can't look this good and people not want to take you down. It's gonna happen, but luckily, I'm Maztec. You know? Let's get it. Ooh, see, I'm just nervous. I haven't touched a knife in like 2 days.
Right now at US Cellular, you can get a new phone without having to trade in your old one.
Sure, you my PB&J for the phone.
No kid, you don't have to trade. Save $830 off any phone at US Cellular. No trade-in needed.
Oh, chocolate milk.
I'll take the chocolate milk. US Cellular, built for us.
Are you certain that's just the wind?
Yep.
Are you imprint certain?
Certainty matters. When you order promo products for your next event, you'll need to be absolutely certain they arrive on time. That's why you choose 4imprint. Experts who'll get it done right. Delivered on time, guaranteed. Count on certainty at 4imprint.com.
4imprint for certain.
The other thing your retail store can do is tools.
There we go. Still got it.
Inventory automatically restocks, so you never run low. The online store stays open 24/7, so you're always ready to sell. Your payments are processed in seconds, so customers can breeze through
There we
checkout.
go.
With one account to manage it all, you got more time for taking time off.
Hey.
One retail system, signing up at Square.com today.
Could do it both ways. Just like your mother. Ugh. What else we got? Got these.
Meeting Bob Chad at Vintage Productions
How you guys doing?
to find out how much Jared's Halloween costume and weird pants are worth.
This is your basic Russian gas mask, probably 1970s, 1980s vintage.
Okay.
This is kind of stuff, if you put it on, I'm really sorry.
Huh.
You think it's clean, you think it's dry, you put it on again, you start sweating, and it reactivates the gas, and it'll get stuck in the pores. I don't know what he's talking about. I feel fine. In the late 90s when the wall fell, there was 2 companies here in the U.S. that just bought up pretty much the entire Russian military.
Huh.
And then these were brought in, they were sold as collectibles and as souvenirs.
So what is this thing for?
This is the canister that would be filled with gauze and charcoal. You hook it up right into the mask itself.
Okay.
Then you hook it up and that's all they did.
Figure it's been a little bit, and I'll play with you guys.
Weird pants.
Where do you put your legs?
Right here off the side. See? This is a Soviet Union horse gas mask. Is that right? Because the Russians were still using horses.
People ask when I do this how I don't get cut, and it's because I'm great. There's really no other way to tell you. The more you do something, the better you're gonna get at it. You know, whether it's dealing with liars, whether it's, you know, working a hard job, whether it is flipping Balisongs. Again, it's not like I leave unscathed. You guys see my fucking hands. Looks like I spanked a porcupine, you know. But this is from catching knives and getting stabbed by live blades. Even my, this one I had to dull down a little bit just because I kept stabbing myself. But it is back to being dull. What I do is I'll rub it on here, and I also have a diamond sharpening rod, so. But yeah, that's how you do it. Anybody ever has questions on how to dull knives, how to resharpen them, Maztec blades, baby, that's why I'm here. Well, Maztec knives, not blades. But yeah, we out here doing big things and little, you know. Hope everybody's got a good day, good weekend planned out. I'm not doing shit, but I'm just happy to be making videos, you know, be here with you guys, and I love spreading motivational shit for you guys. If I can help anybody answer questions involving knives or whatever the case is, feel free to ask. Probably one of the only YouTubers that responds same day. Love you guys as always. Keep it pimping, stay sharp, you know? If I can do it, you can do it. I'm just better. Gang, gang.